Hey there, tech enthusiasts and audiophiles. Welcome back to our channel. To the grand finale of the ultimate noise-canceling showdown. Today, we're unveiling the winner between two titans, the Sony WH-1000XM5 and the Beats Studio 3. Get ready for an audio showdown like no other. We're diving into the ring with the Sony WH-1000XM5 battling the Beats Studio 3. It's a clash of the sound titans, and we're here to guide you through every beat. Imagine being wrapped in the music you love, or shutting out the world with a tap. These headphones promise that and more. Plus, we've got all the product links waiting for you in the description below. So, let's settle in and discover which headphone will be your new favorite sound companion, Sony WH-1000XM5 or Beats Studio 3. Round 1. The Silent Zone. Picture this. You're lost in your favorite tune, immune to the world's chaos. The Sony WH-1000XM5 employs its double processors and 8 microphones to create an oasis of calm. On the flip side, the Beats Studio 3 wields the pure adaptive noise-canceling, pure ANC weapon to obliterate external noise. In conclusion, both are fierce contenders. But the Sony WH-1000XM5 stands as the victor, offering an unparalleled sanctuary of silence. Round 2. A symphony for your ears. Close your eyes and imagine being enveloped in a symphony of sound. Every note crystal clear. The Sony WH-1000XM5 boasts an integrated processor V1, ensuring your tunes are a work of art. On the other side, the Beats Studio 3 boasts real-time audio calibration that promises an immersive experience. The scales tip in favor of the Sony WH-1000XM5, where technology and music seamlessly blend to create a masterpiece for your ears. Round 3. Where comfort meets style. Comfort isn't just a bonus, it's essential. The Sony WH-1000XM5's soft leather design is like a warm hug for your ears. The Beats Studio 3, however, prioritizes style with its sleek aesthetics. Both promise hours of comfort without sacrificing style. In conclusion, it's a tie in the comfort category, as personal preference plays a key role here. Round 4. The Battle of Batteries. The music marathon is on, but who's got the staying power? The Sony WH-1000XM5 grooves to the tune of 30 hours, while the Beats Studio 3 keeps the rhythm going for 22 hours. The Beats, however, throws in a wildcard with fast fuel. A 10-minute charge delivers 3 hours of playback. The scales tip slightly in favor of the Sony WH-1000XM5, offering an extended musical journey. Round 5. Technological harmony. Staying connected is the heartbeat of modern headphones. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is a Bluetooth virtuoso with multi-point connectivity. The Beats Studio 3 enters the ring with the Apple W1 chip, guaranteeing a stable link-up. Both are champions of tech, making this round a tie where each headphone's prowess caters to different preferences. The final verdict. Drumroll, please. The time has come for the final verdict. After a fierce battle, it's clear that the Sony WH-1000XM5 emerges as the champion of this showdown. With its top-notch noise-canceling, exceptional sound quality, extended battery life, and seamless connectivity, it offers an all-encompassing audio experience that's hard to beat. But remember, dear viewers, the best headphone is subjective and depends on your preferences. The Beats Studio 3 brings its own strengths to the table, excelling in style and fast fuel charging. Before you make your choice, check the description box for the product links and immerse yourself in the world of high-quality audio. Let us know in the comments which headphone resonates with you. And don't forget to hit that like button and share the love with fellow tech-savvy enthusiasts. This is Electro Tech Insider, signing off for now. Rock on and stay tuned for more tech-tastic adventures.